Of my new Samsung Addwash washing machine. As you can see, it's washing away there. I will say it is very quiet. That is a special feature of Samsung technology. They use a magnet to turn the drum instead of a lot of mechanical parts, and as a result, the spinning and the washing, it results in a quieter wash. Now let me show you, to start with, the little detergent drawer, which I shouldn't really be opening during the wash, but there we are. You've got your main wash liquid or powder, your softener, and this is for pre-wash or bubble soap. Now, bubble soap is a special feature of Samsung's. And what it is the detergent detergent liquid is mixed with water and air, and then it's forced into the machine to create bubbles, which are easier absorbed into the fabric and lifts the stains easier from clothes that need a bit more attention, or items that need a bit more attention. Here is the choice of washes that you can choose from. You've got Super Eco Wash at the top there. That's lower temperature, and it uses the special Eco Cycle bubble wash to reduce the time and the power used to do the washing. The one underneath, which I'm using at the minute, is the bedding wash. You can see the little blue light indicating it. Basically, as you choose a wash, so I've chosen bedding, the screen here will display what you get, what that includes here. This one was washing at 40 degrees. It had 3 rinses, 800 revolution spins will be applied to it, and over the options here, it has options added of a pre-wash, a bubble soak, and it has this special little button lit here, which is a special to this machine, which is an add wash. So anytime that top button is lit during a wash, means you can pause the machine and add things to it. The only time it won't be lit is if you've chosen a wash which is 50 degrees or higher. So what you do is, to add something to this wash at any time, which is, you just press the pause button, get a little ding. We go down to the special front door and press the button. The door opens. Add your item in there. Shut the door. You can hear that wee click. Go back and start the machine again. This machine at the top there, you can see 39. It started off at 2 hours 25 or something like that. It's now got 39 minutes left. You can see the red key. That just means the overall drum door is locked. With this machine, you can program it, for all the mums out there, child safety lock, which means that absolutely none of the buttons will work. The doors won't open, only the power, once you've set the wash off, only the power will be on. That's this top right button, and the wash will wash away. But if a child came up during that time, everything else is locked. The door's locked, this is locked, any buttons you press are locked. Nothing will change when you've got the child lock facility on, which is fantastic. Another feature in this machine is at the front, at the bottom here, there's a little door which you can open, and it's got a filter in it and a drain. So if for any reason you had to drain the machine in an emergency, or you wish to clean the filter once every 5 or 6 times a year or something like that, they're right at the front. You don't have to drag your machine out. You just have to use a little coin or something to open that, quite simple actually, and then you can get to the parts following the instructions in the book. So just straight there at the front. Inside the drum, which you can't see at the moment unfortunately, there is the new Samsung technology of diamond shaped inner drum, and it has smaller holes and this diamond cut which helps the wash move around, but also the smaller holes prevent snagging of clothing and damage to clothing, so hopefully that should make it a better wash. I hope you enjoyed that, and thank you for watching.